looking to build something real and something that gives you freedom and hands-on experience, starting a digital marketing agency might be one of the smartest moves you can make. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to start your agency from scratch. You don't need a course, you don't need to spend thousands of dollars, you just need a clear plan and a willingness to execute. I'm going to break it all down step by step, so by the end I'll have a real action plan you can actually use. Let's get into it. So step number one is to understand the business model. First things first, you've got to really get what a digital marketing agency is and what you're actually doing. You're not selling physical products, you're not building some fancy app. You're helping other businesses grow by offering services like running their social media, managing ads, building their website, helping them rank on Google, or writing their emails. The best part is this is one of the lowest cost businesses to start. You don't need inventory, a storefront, or even a team. All you need is Wi-Fi, a laptop, and the willingness to learn and take action. It's very scalable as well. You can start as a freelancer, build a full agency, and eventually run a remote team, or you can keep it lean and profitable. You get to decide. Step number two is to pick a niche and one service. This part is crucial, and it's where most people mess up. You do not want to offer everything to everyone. That's how you get overwhelmed and struggle to stand out. Instead, you want to niche down, pick one specific industry and one specific service. Let me give you a couple examples. Niche, real estate agents. Service, Facebook ads. Niche, med spas. Service, Instagram content. Niche, local gyms. Service, email marketing. When you focus like this, it becomes easier to market yourself. You can speak their language directly to one person and solving their specific problems. And over time, you can build systems that can repeat again and again. Don't worry about being stuck in one niche. You can always pivot later. But starting with a clear focus will help you land your first client way faster. And if you're offering visual content, do yourself a favor and use Canva. It's super easy to use, professional looking, and your clients will be impressed by how polished everything looks. If you haven't used Canva before, you can start for absolutely for free, and I've left the link in the description below. So they have a couple different plans here, and again, this could be used to design your logo, help design your website, create flyers, or create posts on social media, create reel covers, create PDFs, or free lead magnets. There's so much that you can do with Canva, and it's a tool that I personally use every single day for my business. So again, like I said, they do have a free version. With this, you get access to the drag and drop editor, lots of templates, design types for social media posts, stock footage, and 5 gigabytes of cloud storage. Canva Pro is personally what I have, and you just get unlimited premium templates. That's the biggest thing that I've noticed is you get access to more templates, more GIFs, more kind of stock footage. So that's personally why I use it, and you get more storage. So you get 1 terabyte of cloud storage. Then they've got the Canva Teams, which is $100 a year per person, and they do have enterprise as well. So if you want to check them out, I've left that link below for you. Step number 3 is to become an expert. Even if you're brand new, when you're just starting off, you're not going to feel like an expert, and that's okay. Everyone starts that way, but here's what I recommend. Option 1, offer your services for free to a couple of businesses. Be honest, say you're learning and want to practice in exchange for results. This gives you proof and testimonials you can use later and talk about in your content. People respect honesty. Just make sure you show up and actually deliver the results. Option 2 is to learn online for free or cheap. Use YouTube blogs and sites like Udemy. You don't need to spend $2,000 on a course. The key is implementation. Don't just watch the videos, actually apply what you're learning and take action. Option 3 is to freelance for experience. Platforms like Fiverr or Upwork are great for beginners. You can get your feet wet, test your skills, and build a portfolio. Document everything, screenshots, client feedback, before and after results. You use all of that later when pitching to new clients and even marketing as well. Step number 4 is set up the foundation for your agency. Now let's make your business real. This step is all about building your foundation and looking professional. Here's your checklist. Form an LLC. This protects you legally and helps you get paid as a business. I recommend using Northwest Registered Agent because they make the process super simple and affordable. For example, for just $39, you can get a complete business service formation. You can form LLC, corp, or nonprofit today. So I've left that link in the description if you want to go ahead and get started with that as well. You also need to build a basic website. I recommend using Squarespace or Wix. They're both very easy to use, easy to navigate if you're going to be doing it yourself. You don't need to make it fancy. Just a clean homepage, your services, and a little bit about you, in a contact form. If you want to check out Squarespace or Wix, I've also left those links in the description below. Lastly, you want to get a custom email. Ditch the Gmail, use something like your name at youragency.com. It instantly just levels up your credibility. When people Google you or check your site, they should feel like they're working with a real business, not someone doing this as a side hobby. Step number 5 is to get your first client. There are a few ways you can land your first client, but here's what I do. Start with your network. Post on your personal social media, something like, hey, just launched a digital marketing agency helping insert your niche with insert your service. I'm offering a huge discount to my first 2 clients this month. If you or someone you know needs help, DM me. This works with your immediate community because if people already trust you, that means they're more willing to either trust your work or send them to someone that they do know. You also could do cold emailing or DMs or walk into local businesses if you're comfortable with it. Keep it simple, professional, and lead with how you can help them. Your goal is just to land that first paying client. One yes creates momentum. Once someone pays you, even just $300 a month, it becomes real. Step number 6 is to deliver amazing results and communication. Once you land a client, your number 1 job is this: get them results and keep them in the loop. You don't need to be perfect, but you do need to be responsive, reliable, and clear. Here's how to do that. Use ClickUp to stay organized, and I've left that link in the description below. You also want to send updates with Loom, videos, or email summaries, have weekly or bi-weekly check-ins. If you're helping with leads, show how many they're getting. If it's design work, show the before and after. The more they see your value, the longer they'll stay and the more they'll refer you. Step number 7 is to scale with systems and support. Once you've got a few clients and steady income, it's time to scale smartly. Here's what that looks like. First off, create 2 to 3 pricing packages. No more custom proposals for everyone. Make it easy to sell and easy to fulfill. Build SOPs, so standard operating procedures for repeating tasks. Start outsourcing the parts of your business that eat up time. If you need to hire, this is where something called Paired comes in. They help you find high quality, pre-vetted talent, and it's especially helpful if you're hiring designers, marketers, or account managers as you grow. If you are interested in hiring, I highly recommend Paired, and if you want to schedule an intro call, I've left that link in the description to see if you would be a good fit to match with someone. So you definitely don't want to burn out, so that's why once your business does get momentum, you want to make sure that you're focusing on the things that is in your level of genius and hire out everything that isn't. Let's wrap this up with a few final tips that will help you save time, stress, and help you stay focused as you build your agency. Tip number 1, don't try to do everything. Get really good at one service. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is trying to offer every service under the sun. Social media, ads, email, SEO, websites, you name it. The problem is when you try to do everything, you don't become great at anything. The real money comes when you're known for doing one thing exceptionally well. Once you master one skill and have a few happy clients, then you can slowly expand your services or bring on others to help. But at the beginning, keep it simple. Simplicity scales. Tip number 2, don't wait until you feel ready. Start now. Figure it out as you go. Most people stall because they're waiting to feel 100% ready. The truth is, that day might never come. The only way to feel ready is to start. You will learn way more from your first real client than from watching 20 hours of YouTube videos. Action builds clarity. Confidence doesn't come before you start. It comes because you started. You'll improve your pitch, your delivery, and your client results over time. So get in the game. Tip number 3 is don't obsess over your logos, fonts, or brand colors. Spending weeks creating a logo or playing with Canva might feel productive, but it's often just procrastination in disguise. You don't need a perfect brand identity to start getting clients. A clean, simple website, a professional email, and a clear offer are way more important than picking the right shade of blue. Focus on taking messy action over aesthetic perfection. Clients care about results, not your color palette. Tip number 4, don't try to scale too fast. Learn the craft first, then grow. It's very tempting to jump straight into hiring a team or automating everything, but you need to know how your service works inside and out first. When you've done the work yourself, you'll be able to set better systems, manage people more effectively, and protect your reputation. The best agencies are built with a foundation of skill and care. Go slow at the start. Speed comes later once you've nailed the basics. Tip number 5, don't be afraid of rejection. It's part of the game. Cold emails will get ignored. Clients will say no. A few will ghost you, and that's normal. Rejection doesn't mean you're not cut out for this. It just means you're playing the game. Every successful agency owner has heard no more times than they can count. The only difference is they kept going. Learn from the no's, adjust your approach, and keep showing up. Every no gets you closer to your next yes. All right, that is your step-by-step game plan for starting a digital marketing agency. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if you're ready to launch your agency this year. I've added all of the links to some of the free and discounted tools, so check those out in the description below. This channel is all about helping you build real profitable side hustles that give you absolute freedom. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.